everybody, I am Tony. Welcome to my channel. If you have never been here before, special welcome to you. Today we're going to be getting into my Tutorial Tuesday series. Today we're going to be using two palettes. I try not to do this a lot, but we're going to be using the Glam Donut and the Ice Cream Dream palette by Glamlight. So I tried to keep them like in the same family, but there isn't a matte blue in the Glamlight Ice Cream palette, so I kind of had to go a little bit out of the realm. So sorry about that. Before we get into it, if you're watching this at all and you want to subscribe, I would be greatly happy about that. If you want to be notified whenever I put up new videos, hit the notification bell and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It only takes a second to hit that little thing. So we're going to start getting into this. So I'm going to take my Urban Decay Primer Potion and I'm going to put it on one eye. Now usually for my Tutorial Tuesdays, I actually will go through and do this beforehand once, and then I will actually do the regular video. I didn't do that this time, so we're kind of going off the wall. And it's whatever. So, not really that big of a deal. I already did all my base makeup and everything so that you guys wouldn't have to be bored to tears with watching me do my makeup for 45 minutes. So first off, I'm going to go into the Glam Donut. And the two colors I'm going to be using out of here are this matte green and then this matte blue. Okay, so we're going to take the matte green, I guess. And I got to be careful with this brush. I'm not used to it. I'm going to put this down a little bit and then bring it up. And if there's fallout and stuff, that's okay. Not that big of a deal. So there's that. Then I'm going to take a little more of that green. Just a little bit, not a lot. And then I'm going to put it on the outer edge. So kind of right there. I'm going to use my, well, let me get a different brush so I'm switching back and forth and not trying to use the same brush for everything. The first brush I have is a Moda Pro smudger, which I shouldn't have something that small, but it works. And this one is a LaRousse flat shading brush. Brushes work for whatever you want them to. You just have to make sure they're either not too packed with pigment or they have enough pigment. So I'm going from blue to green to, or green to blue to green. So I want to make sure that this blue is dark enough that you can see the difference. And I am going to have to bring the green up a little higher to match the edge on the top, but that's okay. We're just going to bring that over there. And you can definitely see the difference, and you'll see in a minute why I'm doing that. Okay, so now this is going to be a little weird for me. I've never really done an eye look like this. I have to go above my crease because my eyes are so hooded. So in this palette, the Ice Cream palette, Ice Cream Dream, we're going to be going into this blue, which is called Cotton Candy, and this green, which is called Birthday Cake. So these two very shiny, wet looking shimmers. And I'm going to take the green on one of my fingers And I'm going to take that and I'm going to go from my, okay, I don't want to get it too far. Well, I don't need to wipe that finger off. That's okay. So that was birthday cake that I just swiped on there. Now, well, let me give me some more of that. Let me gimme. There we go. I don't want too much, but, let's see. Now I have the cotton candy on here, and I want to take that right next to that. And that is almost my look, honestly. This is one of the fastest looks I have ever done. Now I'm going to take the rest of that green and I'm going to put it over here with that green. Now I need to make sure that that edge is straight and pretty. And then the cotton candy, it's a very soft shade. So every time I stick my finger in there, it molds it different. But I want to make sure that this is really, really pigmented and that it pops. I should have put glitter glue down, but it's okay. Do I have, yeah, makeup eraser. Come on, I just need one. Okay. I am going to put this color right back on my fingers for my other eye, so it's not that big of a deal. Okay. So this green smudger brush, I am going to take, I need to go back to the donut. Alright, there we go. So I'm going to get some of that green pigment right on the top of that brush. And clean my under eye off a little bit. And gonna just go in with that green. Now I'm going to take this, I'm going to go into that green again, make sure I have some on the brush, and then I'm going to just kind of wipe this up to where the green is on the side and then marry it together. Now I'm going to take this LaRousse brush and I'm going to get the tip very concentrated in blue, and we're gonna get some blue under that middle edge. We're just following the pattern that is up above, and honestly I think it looks beautiful. I really do. I didn't do this beforehand, I just thought it out in my head and it really actually worked. So I'm quite happy about that. Alright, so now I'm going to put my brushes down because I need to get some Urban Decay Primer Potion for my other eye. And this didn't take too long, so if you guys don't want to skip out on the rest of the video, that would be really cool. Just so you all know, I am at 90 subscribers, and it took me quite a while to get here, but my subscribers are climbing. You know, every week I get more subscribers. So with that, in turn, I'm going to be doing a 100 subscriber giveaway. And so if anybody wants to subscribe to the channel because of that, for that, whatever, that's fine with me. I really don't mind when people do that, because I've actually met some great people out of having giveaways. So anyway, we're going to get back into this look. I have my Moda Pro smudger brush with the green on it, and we're going to kind of take this from the beginning and then get it out a little bit. Alright. There goes that. Now we're going to take the LaRousse brush with the blue and I'm going to try to get that up kind of high, but not too high. I do want a gap between the makeup and my eyebrow. So here is the green again on this Moto Pro smudger brush. And we're just going to bring this down to the edge of that, which looks good to me. So now switching back, and we'll switch back again. So here's the Glamlight Ice Cream Dream Palette. And first we're going to go into Birthday Cake, which is a really soft, beautiful shadow. I really, really like this. These shadows are absolutely stunning. This is the first time I'm using this palette for an eye look, and I am over the moon happy about it. I got an email that it came back in stock, and I jumped on that because I've been trying to get it for quite a while. The Cotton Candy shade is so soft, it's like butter. So here we're gonna go from that blue on top down to my lid, and then I want to make sure that it has enough pigment and it's wide enough to match the top. Okay, there's that. And then we're gonna go back into Birthday Cake and bring that in. Now I do want to make sure that this is pigmented the whole way across and it's pretty much even. So that looks good. Let me get my makeup eraser and try to get some of this shimmer off of my fingers. Now we're gonna go for the Moto Pro smudger brush, which I don't think it should be used for that, but whatever. In the Glam Donut palette, which I'm really happy that I got that. I got it in the Dessert Lovers box, and I would have never bought it by itself, but I'm actually really happy to have it. It has some beautiful colors in it. Now this, we are just gonna do the same thing we did on the other side and up above. We're just gonna match that green, and while I'm at it, I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna take the green, and then I'm gonna go out and marry that with the color on the side. Now I have that LaRousse brush with the blue, and we're gonna take the tippy top of that and we're gonna put that in the middle. Now that is pretty much my look. I have a few things that I need to do, but before I do anything else, I have my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I'm gonna spray my face real quick, just really fast. I'm gonna try to clean some of this out of these two brushes really quickly. And so, very quickly, how's everyone doing? I really like to know what's going on with everybody. What do you guys think of the Glamlight palettes? Even if you don't own them and maybe you've watched a video or two of mine where I play with them, what do you think of them? Like, they're really interesting to me. I find that they have great pigmentation. They're just amazing. Um, for my inner corner and then under my waterline, I'm going to go into the Glam Donut and take some of this highlighter that's called Glazed. So in here, we're going to take this and pop that in the middle, and it is beyond pigmented. Now, I'm going to go underneath the brow bone with that. That's perfect. And over here, same thing. Now, let me make sure I got enough. Okay, I think that's enough. That brush is clean enough again. I need to wash them later today anyway. I'm gonna put on the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. This is my absolute favorite mascara right now. I love this. And let's hope I don't have any oopses, because I really like my eyes the way they turned out. Okay. There goes that. And that actually does make a huge difference. At least for me it does. I know some people have great eyelashes and it doesn't do a whole lot to put mascara on, but for me, this is something that it's like a thing I do even when I wear no makeup. Okay, so there goes that. I am about done with my look for the day. I'm going to put on my Lorac Girl Next Door lipstick. And that is my look for this Tuesday. So, hold on. It's a little bit sunny back here, which I thought I would be able to catch the room before the sun overtook it, but I was kind of wrong. But you guys see the gist of the look. What do you guys think? Tell me down below. I know this was super simple and this wasn't hard at all. I mean, honestly, anybody could do this. So I really like doing looks that anybody can do. So tell me how I did in the comments. No matter what you think, I don't care. It's fine with me. And I will talk to you guys very soon, wherever you are, whatever time of day it is. I hope you're having a great one, and I love you more than you know. I'll talk to you guys very, very soon. Don't forget to subscribe. All right, bye.